Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sky Asia. You should definitely subscribe and get to know me. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween maintenance. Halloween is definitely one of my favorite holidays. I just love the fact that you can dress up and literally just be whatever you want, and you just get to see what everybody else is about. So I plan on doing my nails, toes, eyebrows, and I'm also going to be getting I have a hair appointment to get cornrows so I can install my wig. And then that's pretty much it, y'all. This is how my nails are looking now. These are my anniversary nails. As you can see, they've grown out a lot. But I plan on doing a freestyle. I'm gonna do a Hello Kitty set. I'm gonna do a Hello Kitty angel set on this hand and a Hello Kitty devil set on the other hand, and I just feel like it's gonna look so cute and I'm super excited. And then for my toes, I think I'm gonna do white French tip or light pink.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around.
So I grabbed my heating blanket. Now that I'm done with like filing and anything powdery, I just have to decorate my nails now, and I'm just really hoping that I don't spill any polish on my blanket. But yeah, I'm about to go through Pinterest and look at more inspo, and yeah.
Why you chase? You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's that you got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say.
So if you guys hear a weird noise, that's my heater because I'm anemic. Finished my nails, y'all. Well, I finished one hand. This is this hand, and I'm literally obsessed. I'm so proud of myself. As you can see, my pinky just has like some drips going on. My ring finger is a knife with a reflection of the Scream face, and it's got like a heart and stuff on it. And then my middle finger, which I'm honestly like, I'm first most proud about this one. I have Hello Kitty. She's holding a little like a devil anchor thing, and as you can see, she has like her bow and everything. It's just so cute. And then my index finger just has like these webs on it, these cute little red webs. And then my thumb is just another drip. Anyways, let's get started with this other hand. Cut my hair, my braids, because I need to start taking these out. I'm hoping at least I can take half of it out, or at least all of the box braids, and I can maybe take these out, because I'm just gonna wash my hair and blow dry it tomorrow. So but y'all, look, I'm so upset. At first, I was gonna do the Hello Kitty brown because I thought the white outfit wouldn't go good, but I actually like made it work. I totally forgot that I can just like outline an outfit so she doesn't look naked. And then I gave her like a cute halo, and I made it sparkle to look magical, and I'm in love. And then the Scream face, I was surprised with how cute it still turned out, considering I did it on my opposite hand, but so cute. morning, and as you can see, I got my hair braided down for my wig, and she did really good. I like how she like tucked it them. I think that was really lovely of her, because I've never like had people do that before. Anyways, right now I'm about to do my toes. I'm gonna be doing white French tip, but yeah, I'm gonna do a spider web on my toe, make it like Halloween-ish, and I think it's gonna look real cute, y'all. I'm also about to take my wax melter out so we can get ready to do my brows. And yeah, but anyways, about to tune in. I'm about to start doing my toes and my eyebrows and just pretty much waxing.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we falling off, maybe. Maybe we just ain't been on the same.
Okay guys, so I finished my toes. I added these spider webs on them, and I feel like it looks really cute. I'm about to turn it around and show you guys. Look. But yeah, y'all, I'm sorry if they look crusty. I still have like powder and stuff on them. Okay, so I think I'm about to start installing the wig and stuff, and then I think I'm gonna shower and then start styling the wig when I get out. Right now it's completely dry. I feel like once I put some hair product and stuff in it, it's gonna be dope. I need to clean my room all over again. I went to Ross today, and y'all, got the most cutest stuff today. I got like 3 Juicy Couture bras, this cute set of Juicy Couture panties, literally so cute. And then I got a Juicy Couture pink set. It's a sweater and a jogging set, so freaking cute. And I also got these 2 candles, which just reminded me I need to light one of them when I get out the shower. Okay guys, so I just got out the shower. I kept my band on so it could tighten it. That way when I got out, all I had to do was like do my hairstyle. So yeah, it looks like it's on there pretty good. I should be set for tonight, to be honest. But I don't want to get dressed because I don't want to mess with my outfit. I'm gonna put like half of my outfit on, and then we're gonna start doing the hairstyle, so my hair is at least like out of the way and stuff like that, because it does have to dry. Like I don't want it to be wet and get like red on my costume. So yeah. Okay guys, but that's the end of the video. I really wanted to show you guys me doing my makeup, but I just totally forgot to record that. And also it took me so long to film and tell you guys like thanks for watching and stuff, because y'all, my phone got stolen. Y'all, but I tracked them down after the fact that I already bought a phone, so now I have 2 phones, y'all. I've got 2 phones, so that's great. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys give this video a like, and definitely check out my other videos, and bye.
A bitch can never bully me, that hoe get shot.